guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with MA Couture Crafting, and we are doing another Notions for Notions video. This guy here is my BFF. I use it constantly. You will see this in probably every single video. I have several different pin cushions. I actually really enjoy collecting like cute pin cushions and things. However, this is the one that I actually use functionally all the time. It houses my dollhouse pins, and then I've got a couple of magic pins here, and it's magnetic, and so if I happen to spill them, I can go on ahead and gather them up very, very quickly. It's great to travel with. You just plop that on there like that, and you can slip your pins in as you need to, and then you can slide it here and you can house whatever you want down here at the bottom. I have some basting pins in mine. I love this guy. It's inexpensive. They have them in all kinds of different colors. This is just going to slide back on like that. They have them in a bunch of different colors. Put the top on, throw it in your bag, and roll to class. I keep this on my sewing machine. I plop the back in just like that. You always see it. Like, always see this in my videos. This is my jam. I love this pin cushion. I love the color that I have. I wouldn't want it any other way. And again, I have quite a few different types of pin cushions. Most of them are magnetic, and then some cute ones that people have made and that I've purchased and stuff. But this is my preference. So check out the magnetic pin cushion. All right. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.